Wonder Woman. So this is the follow-up video to what to pack when you travel. So I have 3 favorite things that I can't live without on my trips. So the first things first is a hat. You know, just to keep the sun off your face for those bad hair days, which I have a lot of. You know, doesn't have to be a ball cap. It can be your favorite hat just to have for sun protection. All right, a water bottle. Water bottles are wonderful in those places that you can't find fresh water. Or on an airplane, you know, on those long airplane rides, you need to stay hydrated. So fill it up right before you get on the plane, and so you don't have to get those teeny tiny cups of water. And the last thing is a sling bag. I like a sling bag because of the easy access, and on public transportation, you can push it around to the front and have a little bit extra security for your things. All right, guys, that's it for me. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm here to help. All right, have a great day and happy travels.